Hey everyone, we already know who's ruling the world is coronavirus, and too many questions, not that many answer actually, but already thousand and thousand millions people lost their job. So main two important question: what's next and how long? Well, nobody have that answer yet. But my expertise in food and beverage last 30 years, I can give you some idea how to reduce your grocery bill 50% and beyond. Okay, let's watch it. Guys, today my healthiest, cheapest, and quickest item gonna be chicken soup with tomato and potato. Simple. But I'm not gonna use chicken breast or chicken leg or chicken thigh. It's only chicken back and it's very cheap. 8 pieces I got only $5.50. And I will cook it 10 portions and it will be less than $15. Thank you. Hi everyone, my healthiest chicken soup recipe, I will use some garlic, ginger, onion, chili flakes, cumin powder, garam masala, and I gonna use a barbecue, 5 spice barbecue mix, and it will be fabulous. Let's watch it. Hi everyone, make sure you wash your meat properly, then use a wider pan with high heat. Dump all your chicken and then all the ingredients, onions, garlic, the ginger. Don't forget salt and oil. Then chili flakes, cumin powder, garam masala, and that barbecue seasoning. And marinate it for 2 minutes. Then let it cook for 5 minutes on high heat. Thank you. Hey guys, we are almost halfway done our healthiest chicken soup. So add a little bit more oil and a tomato and let it cook another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you can see how it looks like. It's fabulous. So now add your all the potatoes, and did you see I already boiled some hot water? So dump the hot water all the way, fill the pan up, and then let it cook another 10 minutes. And then it will be ready. All right, thank you. Well, everybody, this is my final product or finished product of chicken neck and potato soup, healthiest, quickest, and cheapest. I just did 10 portions on less than $12. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be safe, be healthy. See you next week.